In a significant legal move, four international students, including Chinmay Deore from India, have filed a federal lawsuit against Donald Trump's administration, accusing immigration officials of unlawfully terminating their student immigration status. This abrupt action leaves them vulnerable to potential deportation. Deore, along with fellow students Jiangyun Bu and Kui Yang from China and Yogesh Joshi from Nepal, filed the lawsuit on Friday seeking to restore their legal status and prevent their deportation. The students, all attending public universities in Michigan, alleged that their F1 student visas were revoked in the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System, that is a SEVIS, without adequate notice or explanation. SEVIS is a key database that tracks non-immigrant students and exchange visitors in the United States, and students claim that their statuses were terminated without proper procedure or justification. The lawsuit demands that the court reinstate their student statuses so that they can continue their studies without fear of detention or deportation. Filed with support from the American Civil Liberties Union, that is the ACLU of Michigan, the legal action also requests an emergency injunction to protect the students from deportation while the case progresses through the courts. The students have made it clear that they have not committed any crimes or violated immigration laws. The complaint states none of them has been charged with, let alone convicted of any crime in the United States. It further stresses that the students have not been involved in any political protests or controversial activities on the campus. Despite this, the Department of Homeland Security failed to provide any meaningful explanation for the revocation of their student statuses. This legal challenge adds to the growing number of lawsuits filed against the Trump administration's immigration policies, particularly those affecting international students. Similar cases have arisen in states like New Hampshire, Indiana, and California, reflecting widespread concern about the administration's approach to immigration and its impact on higher education. Michigan, where the lawsuit was filed, is particularly reliant on international students who contribute significantly to the state's academic environment and economy. The state's universities depend on these students not only for academic excellence but also for financial and cultural contributions. The lawsuit highlights a growing fear among international students about the implications of federal immigration policies, which could drastically change the landscape of U.S. higher education. As the case moves forward, the students and their legal team hope that the court will intervene to restore their legal standing, allowing them to finish their studies and avoid the threat of deportation. The outcome of this case could have wider implications for international students across the country, signaling how the Trump administration's immigration policies are affecting not just individuals but the U.S. educational system as a whole.